Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the copy ratio on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first what we need to do is, let me go back to the home screen. We need to enter the menu and now go over to function settings. Here we need to go over and select the copy. And after we select the copy, we need to go to change default settings. And here we need to go over and click on the copy ratio. So now I misclicked. Let me go back to copy ratio. Here it is. And now we can change it to 101, auto, 400, 200. And here we can also make A5 to A4 or A4 to A5. As you guys can see, we can also set a custom one, for example 123, then we can just apply it and now it's changed. So now I'll show you guys the second way of doing it. So as you guys can see, I am on the website of our printer. Let me log out and show you guys how it's done. Let's go over and select system manager mode first and enter our remote UI access pin. Basically, if you don't remember your pin, then you can configure a new one on your printer. Let's click login and go over to settings and registration. Now, what we need to do is go over to function settings and go over to copy settings. Here we have every single option. And now what we can do is we can go over to edit. And after we go here, we will have our copy ratio. We need to find it and search for it carefully. Now here we have it. As you guys can see, it did not change on the site yet because I haven't applied that setting fully. So now what we can do is we can change it to, let's say, 100% again. And basically I won't touch it. Let's just click on OK. And it should also change on our printer any second. So that's basically how it works. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.